Imagine the scene. It is exam day, your heart is pounding, and you are ready to show what you know. You click to log in, and nothing happens, or worse, an error message pops up. That jolt of panic can derail your focus before you even start, but it does not have to. The good news is that most digital exam login issues are surprisingly common and can be resolved quickly with a calm, systematic approach. They often boil down to simple technical glitches or overlooked details that are easily fixable. Login problems typically arise from a few core areas: incorrect account details, an unstable internet connection, or browser-related conflicts. Understanding these common culprits allows you to approach troubleshooting methodically, saving you precious time and reducing stress. First, always start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable network, either Wi-Fi or wired. A quick test of another website can confirm your connection is active. Next, meticulously verify your login credentials. Double-check your username and password, paying close attention to capitalization, as most systems are case-sensitive. Make sure your caps lock key is not accidentally on. If you are copying and pasting, ensure no extra spaces are included at the beginning or end. If your credentials seem correct, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. These stored files can sometimes interfere with new login attempts. Alternatively, try accessing the exam platform from a different web browser, like switching from Chrome to Firefox or Edge. Also, confirm that your system meets the minimum requirements, such as an updated browser version and operating system, as specified by the exam provider. Sometimes, a simple restart of your computer or device can resolve underlying software conflicts or memory issues. If you have exhausted these steps and still cannot log in, prepare to contact technical support immediately. Have all relevant information ready, including your username, the specific exam you are trying to access, any error messages you received, and the steps you have already taken. This detailed information will help support staff diagnose and resolve your issue much faster. A useful insider tip is to check the exam platform's official status page before your exam, if one is available. Many platforms post real-time updates about system-wide issues. Also, consider having a backup internet connection plan, like a mobile hotspot, especially for critical exams. Being prepared significantly reduces the potential for last-minute login stress. By adopting these proactive checks and systematic troubleshooting steps, you will not only navigate potential login hurdles with confidence but also ensure a smoother, less stressful start to your digital exam. Taking control of these technical aspects allows you to fully focus your energy on showcasing your knowledge.